Hello my friends, welcome to Train KS. Today is 17th of June 2025. Now it's 3:28 p.m. So today Bursa week lah. Okay, because yesterday suddenly Trump made a statement so he's asking this Iranian that stay in Tehran okay to evacuate okay, means move out Also there could be more how do you call that more escalation okay, more escalation, probably more bombing going to happen, and there is possible peace because yesterday we hear that this Iran requested some of the neighbor country to discuss with Trump to get a ceasefire but now I think the ceasefire is no more on the table because there's still rocket firing from both sides and Trump also made a statement which is suddenly a bit worrying also because people expect that after the request for ceasefire, all this so maybe the escalation but now seems like and also US, we also hear that US are sending more cargo into Europe means sending more rocket and aircraft but now for him, of course, Donald Trump is saying they are not involved okay in this war is Iran and Israel war they are just trying to defend their bases, all those in the Middle East but this is what they are saying what the US is saying but so far US have not involved but if behind God or not we don't know but in front no involvement but there are still market worry because after that market was rebounding, Bitcoin, everything rebounding, but suddenly we hear that Trump say request the people to leave Tehran, so suddenly the fear creep in again so US market suddenly going up very strong, then come back down a little bit, and the Bitcoin all went up very strong, then straight away drop back to the the closing the closing level is near the opening level it means it went up and came back down okay. So okay, a quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, before we start, don't forget, okay, support the channel. Okay, remember to like, share, comment the channel because now I know a lot of you now I know why suddenly the view is down because a lot of this interest now shift to the Middle East war and shift to this tariff, all these things so, and the Bursa also weak so it's normal in the middle of the year the view down so I don't blame you also okay, so it's normal okay, so hopefully you can like and share and support the channel a bit more so we can get more viewers to see the channel. Okay, so okay, let's go through the global market first. Now it's 3:32 okay, 3:32 market not yet close but today not much momentum also Okay, Bursa is 1514 drop 5.67 points, 0.373%. Singapore up 0.356%. Hong Kong drop 0.686%. South Korea up 0.124%. Japan up 0.588%. Thailand drop 0.137%. China FTSE up 0.006%. China SSE drop 0.039%. China SXSE drop 0.119%. Australia dropped 0.083%, Taiwan up 0.773%, and India dropped 0.472%. So quite mixed market not strong but not too weak also. Europe yesterday dropped 0.578%, and this FTSE and DAX German also dropped 1.226%. Okay, yesterday Dow Jones US up 0.752%, NYSE up 0.535%, S&P up 0.939%, Nasdaq still strong 1.517%. So US market still okay. And I look at crude palm oil 3,909 okay, Brent oil 73 and crude oil 72 okay, still okay but no more flying to the 80 area but still okay for now. Gold 3,407 so gold up again after Trump asked him to evacuate the Tehran so there could be escalation so market fearful. Silver also up 36.49, dollar dropped 4.2415 against ringgit. Bitcoin went back up a bit to 106 Ethereum 2571 so dropped below 2006 after some fear okay of the message and Trump also had an emergency meeting. They're having an emergency meeting I think after he asked these people to leave Tehran Okay, now Bursa is 1513 dropped 6.09 points, 0.4%. Volume also quite small today, 2.595 billion but probably can hit closing time probably can hit 3 billion Okay, sentiment is 38, gainers 322, losers 525, unchanged 457, untrade is 1112. So today quite passive I mean quite slow the market. Foreign fund okay continue to sell 130 million. Yesterday net sell in local institution net buy 85 million and local retail net buy 45 million Okay, glove continue to crash okay, horrible okay, glove okay. Oil also starting to drop. Look at consumption, look at the sector. Consumption dropped 0.06%, consumer up 2.09%, energy big drop 2.04%, all in percentage okay, finance dropped 0.48, healthcare big also big drop 1.87, industry dropped 0.54, plantation so big drop 1.22, just starting to rebound drop because yesterday there is a possible de-escalation after we heard the request for ceasefire, but now I think ceasefire not happening. Seems like the Israel side is not ready to ceasefire seems like it okay. Property up 0.43%, rate up 0.02, technology up 0.1, telco drop 0.26, transportation up 0.11, utilities drop 0.26 okay. Look at the chart. Okay, so KLSE continue sliding down okay, continue sliding down. East market drop 0.57, so continue sliding down. Mid cap also continue sliding down, drop 0.24. Small cap also drop 0.58 so continue slowly sliding down. Look at the sector energy probably energy as I said there is a big resistance here, this line this down yesterday we already saw the pin bar already, so we got confirmation bar. Looks like it's going to come down but hopefully this trend line this head and shoulder neckline can support. Okay, if cannot support, you have to be careful already. Or maybe we need to cut down. Now it's trying to support. I see we got a tail going back up Okay, but hopefully can support. If here cannot support, then probably you have to cut down. Healthcare bad healthcare already saw the this consolidation here. Okay. It's a 1-2 break so it's going down. It also broke the support here Okay, we got a big support buying pressure here, and it also dropped below so it looks quite bad Okay, looks quite bad. Plantation just started to rebound but came back down Okay, so plantation also looks like having a head and shoulder but it didn't break the neckline which is 7380. Okay, it haven't break the neckline. Okay, other than that nothing much. Look at Facebook. This one Iran sees seeks ceasefire with Israel amid mounting pressure. So they want to ceasefire, but now no now I think they really reject. Okay, both sides I think really reject. 金融女神啊，昨天 Facebook 推送的金融女分享给大家。Who's that 金融？I'm not sure what they mean, what they meant. I think it's also is spam 啦，金融女神 I think it's spam 啦。Okay, I highlight 单中啊，单中 looks quite strong 啊。Okay, 单中 look quite strong. I think it's spam 啊，金融女神 spam 啊。Okay. John Sniper watching. What is this, Louis? Oh yeah, this is all these are spam. All these highlight one bold one is all spam. Market is racing scammer. Okay, Andy, no reaction. John Sniper probably due to talk on ceasefire lah. So energy drop lah. That's why lah. Probably it's a ceasefire or possible ceasefire talk lah. Sifu today apa macam cham de yat one cham de two cham yat cham de 二cham getting worse lah. You say something like that lah. Sifu GCB what? GCB stock split Is it having a stock split yeah, coming GCB. Not moving much also lah. I think also not interested lah. Not interested. See. When is it splitting? Today. Not pump, didn't pump out also okay. It split until here. Until 136 lah. Wait for a few days, see what happen lah. Okay. Today just split lah. Tomorrow lah, maybe you can see the adjusted chart, then we can see properly lah. Today still cannot see properly lah. Louis, her turn around and run. Okay, let's look at some news.
Pokong posts flat 3Q net profit despite record revenue due to higher gold prices.
Okay, revenue up, but look at third quarter 519 last time. Now revenue is up 533 million, profit 47 million, and also 47 million So Pokong. Okay, so not much happening lah. It's try to go we still flat lah. Because gold already very high lah, so it's very difficult to climb high. We don't expect the gold to go much. I mean, it can go slightly higher, but we don't expect it to go much more higher lah. Maybe 3,500 lah. Because now we are hearing the escalation of the war already lah. Okay, so probably gold won't go up too much lah.
SST expansion a negative for consumer industry.
Okay, so a lot of comment on this SST lah.
Petaling Jaya, T-Tan. Petaling Jaya. The upcoming expansion of the Sales and Service Tax, SST, is expected to weigh in on the local consumer sector amid rising cost pressures, says RHB Research. The research house said the imposition of a 5% to 10% sales tax on selected non-essential goods and an 8% tax on additional taxable services could have both direct and indirect implications for the sector. We believe this is negative for the sector as it will weigh in on consumers' spending power and further dampen the already subdued consumer sentiment, said RHB.
That's what RHB said.
DELEUM unit to acquire Thai oilfield business.
Okay. MPC Future CO Limited. company limited 啦。So that's why DELEUM still high lah, but news already come out lah. Be careful lah. They're probably selling the news lah. You see, today starting to drop lah, so they're starting to sell the news. It's all-time high here lah, so we are not chasing into the all-time high lah. Okay.
Malaysia rises 11 spots to 23rd in World Competitiveness Ranking, its best placement since 2020.
Okay, since 2020 lah, but before 2020 maybe we are higher lah, because it says since 2020 lah, so got improvement lah at least.
Business groups warn SST hike risks derailing economic recovery.
Okay, so there is a lot of this comment going out talking about this SST lah. Okay.
Malaysia's leading business and retail associations are calling on the government to defer the upcoming expansion of the sales and service tax, SST, set to take effect on July 1, 2025. Citing serious concerns about its potential impact on the country's still recovering economy. In a joint statement, 6 major associations urged the government to reconsider the proposed 8% SST on commercial rental and leasing services, which they warn could trigger inflation, harm small and medium enterprises, SMEs, deter investment, and dampen consumer confidence. As the collective voice of Malaysia's business and retail sectors, we recognize the importance of fiscal consolidation. The timing, magnitude, and scope of this tax measure are gravely misguided. The policy, in its current form, threatens to undo the very economic progress we have painstakingly rebuilt over the past 2 years. Worse still, this move sends the wrong signal to domestic and foreign investors, raising doubts about policy consistency and the government's commitment to fostering a business-friendly environment. The statement was issued by the SME Association of Malaysia, the Malaysia Retail Chain Association, MRCA, the Malaysia Retailers Association, MRA, the Bumiputra Retailers Organisation Malaysia, BURO, the Malaysia Shopping Malls Association, PPKM, and the Federation of Malaysia Business Associations, FMBA.
Well, the lot of property institution, consumer, just now we saw the bank also, all these they are giving a lot of opinion on this.
Solarvest's Brunei project could generate RM 100 mil via JV, says HLIB.
Also this one, the Solarvest JV could generate 100 million. Okay.
Government to study SST impact on rubber industry, says Johari Ghani.
Rubber but are they palm also, the palm oil the palm oil organization also comment about the SST. Also a lot of institutions they are making commenting about this SST.
Anwar, Malaysia must push ahead with fuel subsidy, tax reforms.
So they want to move forward looks like okay, we want to wait and see tax reform the SST I think, and the fuel subsidy also I think it's all coming coming on July onwards so I think they want to push forward okay, despite a lot of this comment a lot of this comment rejection from so many institutions okay, so many institutions we got the palm oil one, we got the property one, you got the consumer one, and you got just now the banking institution also.
Westport's shares jumped 10 PCT to record high, trading volume nears 2-year peak.
Because of this we have the tariff
Shares of Westport's holdings BHD surged to a record high following the government's approval of a phased port tariff hike. which analysts say could boost the company's earnings over the next 3 years.
So where's spot because of these are all very strong. Okay, but now coming back down lah. So I'm not chasing at the top channel lah. No matter how strong also lah, overbought. I'm not chasing here lah. Also too high lah. I missed the boat last time down here. I will never chase up here one lah. So this is just how I do lah. Okay. I'm not saying cannot go up lah, but this is not the way I play lah. And unless I see a very good pattern, flat pattern breakout, very strong pattern, yes, but I don't see it. Now it's at the top channel, I'm not sure.
Farmaniaga director Izzadeen Daud steps down amid wider boosted board shake-up.
Okay, got this board shake-up lah. So Farma still okay lah, still not yet, still trying to rebound. Okay, not moving much also, but not too bad lah. But we only scared, fear that it might get delisted lah. Okay, that's the only problem lah. Now for now. And of course, you need to reorganize and exit PN17.
Shell projects steady LNG demand growth in Southeast Asia until 2035.
Okay, LNG demand.
Yinson secures $1 United States bill investment from global consortium.
1 billion. So this finalized. Last time they really expected it to happen. I mean, they published news about they are getting this still in discussion but now secure already but it's not moving also for Yinson. Okay. A quick message before I continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. If you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, let's check out the top gainers. 99 withdrawals MNRB. 99 smart 99. Okay, trying to rebound. For now, still okay lah. It's still outside the channel. For now, it's still okay lah. Okay, it's trying to rebound and break out. Still okay. Volume not so good. Volume not so strong. But now it's still staying above here. Still okay lah. Still okay lah. Staying above 2.09 still okay lah. If we drop below 2.09, I think have to not so good. Have to cut down. Maybe if we drop below 2 ringgit, then probably also fail lah. Now it's still trying to go lah. For now still okay lah, but not very strong lah. Not very strong lah. Very difficult lah now. Trade war, Middle East war, all these things. So it's not very easy for the market to rebound. Withdrawal still okay lah. Making lower high, not so good. But for now still okay lah. As long as stay above 3 ringgit, I think it's fine lah. As long as stay above 3 ringgit for withdrawal, it's fine lah. Okay, if you drop below 3 ringgit, then you have to be careful lah. MNB not much happening lah. Still on a downtrend. Super LN, Super on also not much. It's trying to rebound from the support. I think Super on might have a rebound lah. If any rebound, maybe it's chance for you to run lah. We might getting a rebound over here. There, this one lah. Okay, this support. Okay, it might get a rebound at here lah. But I'm not saying a bull market lah. But it might get a rebound around this area. So any rebound, I think chance to run lah. NE Northeast. Okay, NE is breaking out. Okay, NE is breaking out with volume 1 million, 2 million. NE might got chance to go higher because this is a very important support resistance line. Okay, this is a very important support resistance line. 0.47. Okay, so it looks good. It really broken through lah. Okay, really broken through. So as long as stay above here, I think got around 4 ringgit lah, 40 cent. If it stay above 40 cent, I think it's okay lah. It should not drop below 40 cent lah. So this one got chance to, I think got chance to go higher lah. It also kind of have a head and shoulder lah. Okay, head and shoulder. Okay, northeast looks fine lah. And you see red color already almost 50%. So the red color is climbing up lah. So this is good with volume. Okay, this looks good for now. This one got chance, Mr. DIY. Okay, Mr. Still trying to slowly. I think long term lah, it might be coming back up to the channel top lah. So you have to give it some room to move lah. But with all these coming, all these SSD, all these things lah. So I think the window for rebound for this for all consumer sector, I think it's not too big lah. Powerwell, remember I said Powerwell, right? The breakout here, you got chance to go higher lah. Okay, the first target is here first, the previous high lah. Okay, so you can break through here. Okay, then we look for 0.7 So this one we saw the breakout okay. This one we saw the breakout. Okay, Powerwell. Okay, we saw it in the last few days Tanjung also lah. Tanjung also. Okay. Remember, I said wait for the retracement first. Now it's breaking up. Okay, so you measure this you measure this move, right? The next target would be the bank target. Okay, measure this breakout okay, the next move should be around the bank target okay, the bank target 65 cent area lah. Okay, but you have to watch 61 just in case you make double top. So there is room for this Tanjung to move also. Okay, P Auto Tanjung volume 2.5 to 3.8 million P Auto maybe at the bottom, maybe we got a short term, maybe got a rebound here lah. Okay, or chance to run or short term pick bottom lah. But I doubt we can go a bull market lah. Maybe just a rebound, we can get a rebound up if up to 1.14 lah. Because it's oversold lah. It's very cheap lah. But it's not bull market lah. Okay. Oh, almost forgot to talk about the energy. Okay, look at some energy stock lah. Armada not so good. Armada hit as the resistance, the bottom channel start to drop. This one not so good. As I said, I'm not very keen on this one. Jarimin also hit exactly our resistance here, 0.72, coming back down, not so good. Dayang also exactly almost hit two. I said $2 very important, so it's starting to come back at 2, also not so good. DELEUM hit the all-time high here, and the news come out also starting to drop, not so good. Dialogue also still okay, it's not moving up, not going down, so only probably still can move up a bit. Look at Heng Yuan exactly, you see yesterday, the resistance here, 1.95, exactly coming back down, so it's not very strong, but still okay as long as this sector still okay lah. It didn't drop below the head and shoulder neckline but maybe short term you want to take some profit first it could continue to drop. Hibiscus exactly this one, right, the channel top exactly hit the channel top. You've got a bearish engulfing so probably I'll probably take some profit first okay, probably take some profit. Petron same thing Petron also looks like a head hanging man also. They're almost is touching almost touching this channel top. This is the next target this one you see I draw the next target, so yeah, reach the area now also try also potential it might drop so, oil also you see oil price also cannot go up anymore. It hit the resistance this area, okay, 76 to 78 area, now coming back down, it's not going up also so if there further escalation, yes, it might continue to go up, but if there de-escalation, I think the oil price probably, the oil sector probably will stay flat or even come back down okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.